Benson, and I am part of Team Frisque. This is our demo for the ADK Hackathon challenge. So Frisque is a due diligence platform that is powered by AI agents to make the process of going through due diligence faster, easier, and less cumbersome. So this is our platform. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to use Google OAuth for this. I'm going to choose my Google account. Then I'm going to, so I'm logged in. And so to conduct a scan, you go to company analysis and then you fill in the company name. So something like Canva, and then you fill in the website, and then you say run scan. So every 30 seconds, it's going to refresh the page and try to fetch your results. So what is happening behind the scenes is that we have an orchestrator agent that has a couple of worker agents. It decides which one to call when, and in order to get which kind of result. The problem we're solving for is that VCs use a lot of time trying to get data to do due diligence, and then they go back and forth, cross-checking, referencing, and this takes up a lot of time, a lot of man hours, which is lost time and manpower. Our solution is Frisque, which uses AI agents, specifically developed using the starter pack, Agent Starter Pack by Google. The tech stack we're using Django for the client interaction, which now uses rabbitmq and celery to send tasks to the AI agents, which are deployed on Cloud Run. The ADK features that we utilized were multi-agent. So we have the orchestrator agent, and then we have web search agent, a formatting agent, and several others. And then code fast development. So we went by it by coding first, and then deployment we deployed very easily because of the starter pack, which you just deploy and it goes to using Terraform. It deploys to Cloud Run. We had to manage permissions, but we dealt with that. And then integrations, whereby we are making API calls from the celery task. It's making the RabbitMQ is making a queue, adding the task onto celery, and then celery is calling the agent. And then when they get the result, we are being fetched back. So our results are here. It's Canva. We can see the CEO, the funding, the founders, the industry, the products, the valuation, description, alternatives, release date, and all that. So thank you.